welcome on back to my channel. So this is my wash day routine, and I am a bi-weekly washer, so I do wash my hair twice a month. And this isn't my first wash routine on my channel. I did do one earlier in my journey. I will try to link it above. Nothing really has changed in my routine. It's just that my hair is much longer now. So I'm going to start off with one of my favorite shampoos, and this is the Berry Fletcher Cool Stimulating Peppermint Shampoo. And as you can see, I don't have much left. I need to order more of this, but I'm just going to use the remainder of what's left in the bottle for my first wash. And of course, the first wash doesn't sud up as much because it needs to get through that first layer of dirt and oil, and my hair is actually very oily. So since I ran out of my other peppermint shampoo, I did go to the drugstore and picked up this pure Castile soap, and this is by Earth Essentials. And I know that everybody usually uses the Dr. Bronner's, but that wasn't at my local drugstore, so I just settled for this one. So this is my first time using this type of soap on my locks. And I did not dilute it, and it didn't burn or anything. It actually isn't as strong as the Dr. Bronner's, I want to say. I've never used the Dr. Bronner's to wash my hair. I usually use it for my makeup brushes, but this soap seems a little bit milder, if I would say, in my opinion. It smells much milder than the Dr. Bronner's. And I'm assuming that it's not as potent because it did take a lot for it to set up on my locks. So here's just a close-up of me washing my locks. I focus on my scalp first, and then I go and distribute the shampoo down the rest of the shaft of my locks. So I do like to use a moisturizing shampoo, and I use this one by Design Essentials, the Honey Cream Moisturizing Shampoo. So I've always used multiple shampoos in my routine since the beginning of my journey, and it just always seems to work for me. I do condition my locks, and right now I'm using two different conditioners. I'm using the Aussie Moist, and I'm also using the Ion After Color Sealer. Now this Ion conditioner is so thick and it's very drying, so I don't use it on my scalp. I just use it on the shaft of my locks, and I do have to dilute it with water because it is super thick. But I just distribute it down the shaft of my locks to seal in my color. And then I take the Aussie Moist conditioner and I apply that conditioner to my scalp because that one is actually a moisturizing conditioner. Now with the conditioner, I do try to rinse as thoroughly as possible because I don't want to have any residue left in my locks. So I do stay under the water for a pretty long time after conditioning. So that is pretty much it for my wash day routine. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye guys.